Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find if you have any problems in Facebook that might not be allowing you to comment on any posts. So you may be experiencing that you're not getting allowed to post anything under any picture, post, video or whatever in Facebook. And that may be because of one main reason. You're being limited by Facebook. So what do I mean by limited by Facebook? Basically, you have restrictions put on your account. You violated the terms and services, and you need to solve this real quick. So, how to do that? Well, first you have to see if you have any violations against your account. You do that just simply by opening your profile right over here, clicking on your icon, see your profile, click on three little dots, and click on account status. Here it will display if you have any violations or not. If you have violations, you can appeal them from here, or you can go to the helping center just by going back, scrolling here down, and click on help and support. Go to report the problem, and here you can either report the problem through here or go directly to the help center and see how you can fight this. So that's pretty much it. You can scroll down from here and see the terms and policies to be sure that you haven't violated anything. Result, but they will be telling you if that is the problem. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.